Hey, keep your hands where we can see them. Hands on the steering wheel.
Is that what you're coming over here for?
Yeah, that's why we're coming over here, okay?
I'm suspicious, huh?
No, because he called saying that...
I don't care what he called for. He's following me.
Okay, we'll figure everything out.
Talk to him. I don't need you to figure out nothing. I am working.
We will figure everything
out. I am working.
Okay.
I'm a black male in a white neighborhood, and I'm working.
That has nothing to do with that.
Yeah, it does.
No.
He's following me.
Okay.
The fuck?
He's getting out of the way, okay?
Okay, he's still following me.
We will figure that out.
Damn, get the fuck away from me. I don't care how many cops show up. He's following me.
Cedric Altimer, a black newspaper delivery driver, faced an unjust confrontation when Pierce County Sheriff Ed Troyer falsely reported him as a threat, leading to a swarm of Tacoma police officers. Under Washington state law, RCW 9A.36.080 states, a person is guilty of malicious harassment if they maliciously and intentionally cause physical injury to another person because of their perceived race, highlighting the racial bias fueling this incident. The situation escalated absurdly, with multiple cop cars surrounding Cedric, a man simply tossing papers from his beat-up car. He boldly confronted the officers, questioning their excessive presence and refusing to bow to their intimidation tactics. Cedric's fearless challenge transformed their power play into a glaring display of their own foolishness.
You need how many cops for a fucking newspaper carrier? Oh, you guys are some badasses. I swear to God, you guys are badasses.
Okay.
Stop
reaching for stuff, dude.
I'm not reaching for shit.
Yeah, don't keep your hands on the steering wheel.
My hands haven't moved off the steering wheel.
Okay, can I explain it?
No, I don't need nothing to be explained to me. I'm being followed. Okay. He called the cops. Congratulations.
Yes.
I'm coming to and from a house. Ooh, he's committing a crime. He's black.
No one's saying
He's black.
Okay.
He's black.
I'm going to explain why.
I'm doing my paper route.
Okay, I understand that. I see all the papers in your car.
Yeah,
okay?
Congratulations.
He just called saying that someone threatened his life. That's why we're here, okay?
Yeah, I threatened his life because I walked up to him and asked him why he's following me.
You're not under arrest. Can you step out of the car?
I don't need to be under arrest. I don't... That's dumb.
Appreciate it.
You're gonna arrest me?
No, I'm not gonna. Come sit right here, okay?
Fuck, I'm working.
Sit on the bumper. You got any weapons on you?
No, I don't got shit on me. I'm at work.
We're gonna dispatch you, okay?
Gosh, I got a fucking knife in my car.
That's fine. I don't care about what's in the car.
To cut my straps on my newspaper.
Okay.
Nothing. We don't need nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing, officer. What are we here for? What are we here for? Search my car. There's newspapers. This is the second time this shit happened to me.
What's your first name, sir?
The fuck? Cedric, all time.
Cedric? Okay, Cedric. Okay, we just got a call saying that
I'm in danger. Ooh, that's a fucking lie. Now what happens to him? He's lying.
That's what we're here to figure out.
He's lying. Okay. So what happens to him?
Was there any?
What happens to a liar?
We will figure that out.
To get 4 cops here. How many cops cars are here?
Cedric.
For a newspaper carrier?
Cedric.
I don't need to talk. It's not making no fucking sense. I'm not under arrest, right?
You're not under arrest.
Okay, I can go, right?
No, you're not free to go either.
Why can't I go?
Because
I'm not under arrest. Who's a sergeant? Who's a sergeant around here?
On his way. Okay.
Thank you. Please, I'm not under arrest, right? I'm going back to work, right?
No, you're not leaving right now, but you're not under arrest. Okay. Do you want me to put you in handcuffs?
This is dumb.
Right now,
you're gonna put me in handcuffs for what?
Cedric.
I'm talking?
Right now I'm just talking to you man to man, try to figure out what's going on, okay?
It's not a man-to-man conversation. Go talk to him. The one's so in danger. He's in danger. I got weapons.
Cedric.
I got weapons.
Do you see how calm I am?
Newspaper out.
You see how calm I am?
I pulled into his driveway. If I pulled into your driveway, I'm obviously your carrier.
Cedric. Just talk to me for a little bit, okay?
There's nothing to talk about.
Okay.
There's nothing to talk about.
Did you guys have any verbal altercation?
He's following me.
Okay.
I walked up to his car because he came around the block again for the 3rd time. I approached him. Why are you following me? Okay. Because I'm a black male in a white neighborhood? Oh, where are you at? I'm on the north end. You don't know where you're at? My wife is black. I don't care.
That's all we're trying to get to is what happened between you guys that made him call
I am working. I am driving a bucket and I'm in a nice neighborhood. I'm working. I'm over here every night. I see you guys every night. Nobody messes with me. But a car that sees a kid in the neighborhood on the wrong side of the street, throwing a paper out the window, he's suspicious. Oh, he pulls up to another house. He's going to steal an Amazon package off that porch. Check my car. I got 15 Amazon packages in the trunk.
Cedric, I'm not saying you're stealing anything. He's not saying you're stealing anything. He just said there was an altercation. That's why we're here. Okay?
You guys can be doing so much on that. You guys said one officer. Oh, you're following a newspaper carrier.
I'm going to be 100% honest with you. The reason there's so many cops here is because he's the sheriff who said that he got...
I know who he is. I know exactly who he is.
Someone threatened his life. You have no clue who you are.
The sheriff he's threatened?
Okay.
He's so threatened. I knew he was a fucking cop.
So
I'm over here every night, 6 days a week.
We're with Tone, please. He's not our sheriff, okay?
Thank you.
So we're totally different entities. We're just trying to figure out what's going on. That's why there's so many people here. Okay? Right. You're not in handcuffs. You're not in trouble right now.
I know I'm not in trouble. I am working.
But until we figure everything out and make sure everything's covered, okay? Yes, you do have to talk to us. You don't have to talk to us.
It's a big investigation.
You see them leaving?
Everybody needs to leave. You guys need to walk him home. Follow him home. He needs help. He needs assistance. I got 200 fucking papers. I'm not worried about him. I'm trying to get home. Fuck, I got formula in the car. I'm supposed to be home by 3:30. You guys are slowing me down.
Sheriff Ed Troyer's fabricated story about Cedric threatening his life collapsed as the truth emerged from Cedric's straightforward account of their encounter. Washington's RCW 98.76.180 declares a person is guilty of intimidating a public servant if, by use of a threat, he or she attempts to influence a public servant's official action. But Cedric's mere question about being followed broke no law. The officer scrambled to prop up Troyer's shaky claim, their weak explanations falling apart under Cedric's piercing logic. He zeroed in on the sheriff's dishonesty, pressing the cops to address the consequences of such a blatant falsehood. Troyer's authority crumbled as Cedric revealed him as a corrupt official wielding his badge to harass rather than protect. This moment shifted the narrative, putting the sheriff's deceit on trial instead.
Did you ever threaten any sort of violence?
No!
Okay.
What am I threatening for? I feel threatened. I'm followed. Just because I walked up on him, I threatened him?
Did he make any threats to you?
Nobody made no threats.
Okay.
That's a lie. If I made a threat, I'll tell you, but I didn't. I didn't even go to him angry. I just wanted to know why he was following me.
That's
simple.
So, what this looks like is a big case of misunderstanding, okay? He thinks you're doing something, you think he's doing something, okay?
Because I didn't answer none of his questions, he says he's in danger. You're a sheriff! You're so in danger!
Cedric, stop, okay?
That's dumb as hell.
You're not going to help your cause getting out of here without him getting pissed off, okay?
What, you gonna arrest me because he lied?
No, I'm just asking you to just not yell at him, okay? Alright?
You see me pull up to how many houses? How many packages did I steal?
I know you're a paper delivery, okay? We've pulled over so many paper delivery people because, yes, it is weird when we see them in the middle of the night going from house to house and people always call you guys in, right? You always have cops drive by you. Sometimes you get pulled over, sometimes you don't. Once you realize, oh, you're just delivering papers, let you do your job, okay? Obviously, he didn't realize that you were doing your job, okay?
Papers, bags hanging in the window. How do you not see that? There's no tenants. I'm not hiding nothing. Front windows are clearly down.
Okay? So once you make sure everything's kosher here, okay, we will get to it, right? So
what do you need to make sure that is kosher?
I'm talking, you get your side, they're talking to me to get his side, okay? That is exactly what is going on.
You want me to write it down too?
No, I need to write it down, okay? I believe you, okay? I did this one too, so I believe you, okay? So as soon as I can get you back driving, getting to work, making your money, okay, I'm gonna let you do that, alright?
How long is that gonna take?
It's hopefully just a couple minutes.
What are we waiting for?
We're waiting for them to talk to him to figure out what his side of it is.
What do we need to talk to him for? He's following me. Just because he made the call?
No, yeah, because you are the two involved.
So if I would have made the call, you guys would let me go?
You are the two involved. So that's why we're getting
involved in what? A car following you?
Yes. If it's
a sheriff? Somebody that has a gun on him?
If it's as simple as that, yeah. Okay? I understand your frustration. I appreciate you being quiet. Okay?
How many times you gonna look in my car? Ain't no weapons in there.
Yeah. That's a deputy, okay? He just brought you here, so.
But what are we searching my car for? There's nothing in there.
He's not searching your car, he's just looking for one outside there. Okay. Not saying that.
You looking for drugs? Looking for anything? Don't do drugs. I just work. I'm just working. It's my work car.
How much longer you got living tonight?
I just started. I got at least another hour and a half. About to finish my first section, about to go to the second.
Did he tell you to like stay here, or did you just stay here because you
I
knew
stay
that you
here
did
because
everything
he's
wrong?
just following me.
Yeah.
I'm going to my houses. I don't want him knowing where all my houses are. So he just wait for me one night.
So when did you figure out who he was? Did you tell him?
I recognized him. He's been on TV.
Yes, yes.
As soon as I walked up to him, I was like, yeah, you're a cop. But I know where he lives because I'm over here every night. I seen him. I see his wife every morning going to work. When I'm late,
Yeah.
this is why I come out here 3 o'clock and never get fucked with. I come out here at 1 o'clock, be early, try to hurry up and get home, I get fucked with.
And that's when the people are out still.
I guess so.
I get it. I get it.
I guess I gotta wait until 3 o'clock every day. Sometimes I tell myself I don't want to be late.
Hopefully you don't have to do that. Hopefully you can get your stuff done when you need to get it done. But right now, we're just getting you guys' side of the story. Okay, figure it out. Do you have any idea why he said that he made threats?
Dude, I asked him if he was a cop. It was the first question I asked him, okay? I didn't make no threats. I'm not, like I said, I just want to know why he's following me.
Okay.
Like I said, we passed each other, okay, right?
Did he turn around and come?
Yeah, turned around, came back. Okay, so I pulled in right behind him, went to my house. And then,
What was this like? I'm just talking with the other driver right now. I'm unsure.
I just know we ran into each other 3 times. He's obviously following me now. I was walking back from my house and he was coming down the street, so I just came across and just asked him a couple questions. He rolled down the window. We had a conversation. It wasn't like it was, I got a gun on my car, I'm gonna shoot you if you don't stop following me.
You just asked why he's following you?
I got 5 kids. I'm not trying to go to jail. I already been in jail. It's just not fun. All right, thank you.
And Cedric, can you not say anything as you drive past? Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually going back up.
That's
I have
perfect.
to go in this car.
Cedric Altheimer turned a routine night into a masterclass in dismantling corruption, using his voice to shred the officer's flimsy justifications. Under RCW 10.31100, a police officer may arrest a person without a warrant only when the officer has probable cause to believe that the person has committed or is committing a felony. Yet, they held Cedric in a gray zone with no legal grounding. He relentlessly poked holes in their excuses, exposing the ridiculousness of their heavy-handed response to a paper carrier. His demand for a sergeant and refusal to stay quiet forced the cops into a corner, their authority evaporating. They backed off, conceding his freedom, a victory won by Cedric's unwavering stand against their abuse of power. He drove off to finish his route, leaving the officers diminished and their corruption laid bare. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.